we will sit on our mats first, and in Namaskar Mudra, we will start our session with opening prayer. Sit down. Close your eyes. Om Sangachadvam Samvadadvam Sambho Manasi Janatam Devabhagam Yatha Urve Sanjanana Upasite Om Sehena Bhavatu Seheno Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. When they are little round, attach with your eyes, eyeballs, face, and just relax your mind and body. Now we will stand up and we will start our session with yogic Suksham Vyayams according to our syllabus, our curriculum. First, we will start with our head or with our neck. So, we will start this particular exercise for our cervical region, that is for our shoulder blades. Yes, you can adjust your mats so that I can see you clearly.
Hello.
Hi. Yeah, everybody is visible now. So, first of all, we will start with neck. So, this is called as Griva Shakti Vikasakam. Hold your hands like this. Keep your hands like this. Fingers together, thumb together with the fingers. Yes. Now, touch your hands with your thigh. Both hands. Yes. First is the variations in which first pose is you have to keep your neck up. Inhale. Down. Exhale. You have to touch your try to touch your this chin with your sternum notch if you can. Yes. Now start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Your neck should be, it should not be stiff, right? So now we will do second variation. Left, then right. Okay? Right, hold, left. Start. Hands should be again at the side of your thighs. 1, 2. This is Griva Shakti Vikasaka 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your toes should also touch together. right? Now again relax. Just loosen your neck completely. Now we will do Griva Shakti Vikasaka 3. So complete rotation from left to right, then from right to left. Start. Start from your sternum notch, then arch back, then towards right side, complete. Now right to left, complete. Start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slowly. 8, 9, 10. All these neck movements are very good for our cervical region. Now, the fourth one, the fourth variation is Griva Shakti Vikasaka 4. Right? Now, you have to tighten your neck and do breathing from your abdomen. When you inhale, expand your abdomen. When you exhale, just squeeze it. Right? Start. At least 20 times you should do. Count yourself. Or 25 times. This is just like abdominal breathing, but we are doing in standing pose. You can just find out that your neck muscles are also moving when we are forcefully exhaling. Yes, relax. Now we have done 4 poses of Griva Shakti Vikasaka, 4 variations. Now we will go to our Bhujbali Shakti Vikasaka, that is for arms. Again, toes together, hands touching your thigh. One hand should touch the thigh and just look at me. And the other hand should not touch your thigh. So we will start with right. Inhale, out, exhale. While inhaling, you have to keep your hand in the up position. And your thumb should be, your palm should be outside. Outside, okay? Yes, do it now. Try to do it. 1, 2. Inhale, exhale. 5, 6. In, out. In, out. 9, 10. This is first. Now we will do with left hand. Now you can touch this hand on your thigh, but this hand should not touch your thigh, and your hand should also not touch your ear while doing. So be careful. Yes. Now we will do with left hand. 1, Palm should be outside. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax your mind as well as your body. Now we will do with both the hands together. Right? So do 1 outside, palms outside. 2, 3, both the hands should not touch your thighs. 4, 5, and hands should be tight. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. This is Bhujavali Shakti Vikasaka. Now we will do Poon Bhuj Shakti Vikasaka. Make your fist Mushtika Bandh like this with one hand, with your right hand. Yes, mutti bana lo, aise, yes, thumb inside, perfect. Now we will start with our right hand. First, look at me. What we have to do, breathe in means inhale deeply, then hold. After holding, you have to rotate your arm like this, and as much as you can hold, then while exhaling with force. Right? Now we will start. Yes. With our right hand, Mushtika Bandh. Breathe in 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you increase your frequency, you can increase. Breathe in 4. From backward to forward we are doing. Once more. 4. Last time. Now in the reverse direction, from forward to backward. Breathe in. Start. 1. Exhale. Second. Exhale. In. Revolve. Hold and then exhale. Last time. Breathe in. Hold. Start. Right? Now with other hand, with your left hand, same thing. Start with Mushtika Bandh. Breathe in. This long, yes. Start from backward to forward. Two. 3. 4. 5. Breathe in. Hold. Start. Exhale. We are doing 5 anti-clockwise rotations and 5 clockwise rotations with each arm. So now from forward to backward. Yes, breathe in, Mushtika Band. Yes. Reverse direction you should do. Three. Breathe in, hold, start. Fourth time. Again breathe in, start. This is fifth time. Now what we will do, we will go for this whole Bhuja Bali Shakti Vikasaka with both the hands. Both fist lock like this. Yes. Inhale, forward to backward, hold, start with both the hands. Forceful exhalation. Again, forward to backward, we are doing. Again, yes, yes, keep going. Yes, complete, yes. Fourth one, yeah, do it at your pace as much as you are comfortable, right? Now last one, Mushtika Band, again, hold and start. Now these yogic Shuksham Vyayams, they are very good for micro circulation of our body. So we had already done with our neck and with our arms. Now we will do with our waist, Kati Shakti Vikasaka. Again, toes together, hands like this. Now Kati Shakti Vikasaka 1. पहले फिस्ट लॉक करेंगे एक हाथ का, राइट हैंड का फिस्ट लॉक. Yes. Hold it with other hand at the back. Like this. Hold it with other hand. Yes. At the back and toes should be together. Now we will arch back, inhale and arch down, exhale. Yes. Start. 10 times. Relax. 2, 3, 4. Yes. 5. Wait. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Perfect. Bend as much as you can so that you will be comfortable in your position. If you can try to touch your knees with your forehead, just try. That will be perfect, huh? But don't stress yourself. Now with other hand. First we did with right hand. Now we will do with our left hand. Left hand ka Mushtika Band, fist lock. Hold it with your right hand. Again, do this. Yes, I will count. Start. Arch back in, down, out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. 6, 7, 8, 9. Last time, 10. Yes. Now, Kati Shakti Vikasata 2. Keep your legs apart, 3 feet apart. Right? Your thumbs should be visible from आगे से, and 4 fingers should be at your back. Yes, hand should be at your waist. Yeah, perfect. Yes, Bahuaji, perfect. Right? 3 feet apart, at least, more than your yeah. So we will start again. Arch back, in, out. 2, 3. Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, last time, 10. Yes, now, Kati Shakti Vikasata 4. 3, this is 3. Get down to variation. So 3 is with robotic movement. Toes together, all of you. Toes together again. Yes. Legs should be like this, touching each other. Yes, now we will do robotic movement 5 times. So keep your hands touching your thighs. Again, arch back and like this. Look at me. Your hands should not move. Your waist and your this upper torso that should move like this. Your hand should touch your thighs. This is robotic movement. As a robot, we have to bend. Yes, start. 1, 2. This is our first time. So we will correct our poses day by day. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last time 10. Now next variation is Kati Shakti Vikasata 4A. Legs should be together, hands at your shoulder level. So we will do 5 times. So we will bend towards right. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Your arms should be बिल्कुल straight. ऐसे जैसे किसी ने ना कोई लकड़ी के साथ बांध दिया है, यहाँ पे कोई रॉड के साथ आपको अटैच कर दिया. अब आपकी जो हैंड्स हैं या आर्म्स हैं मूव नहीं कर सकती. बट यू हैव टू बेंड जस्ट लाइक दिस, लाइक अ बर्ड at the same place. Yes. Start. Shoulder पे अपने पूरे arms parallel कर लो सबके सब. Yes. Perfect. Feet together. Yes. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and try to engage your core region. अपना ना जो स्टमक है या एब्डोमेन है उसको एंगेज करके अंदर की तरफ रखो थोड़ा. Yes, 9 and 10. That's great. Everyone is doing very perfectly. Yes. Now, next variation is birds flying same with legs apart. Shoulder level का distance जैसे है उतना legs open करके. This is Kati Shakti Vikasaka 5. So now do this. Again, look at me. But you have to now try to touch your calf muscles. Inhale. While going down, exhale. Yes, start. 1. Shoulder apart का difference कर लो अपने legs में please. Yes, very nice. Try to touch your calf muscles. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, now relax. Now we will do one relaxing thing for our torso or our trunk region. This is also a variation of Kati Shakti Vikasaka. We can call it as Koti Chakrasana, like this. It will twist your spine. Exhale. While twisting, you should exhale at the backward. Yes, start. Inhale. Legs apart and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. While going backward, you have to see at the back. That's it. This will now engage your torso also. Trunk भी थोड़ा flexibility आ गई होगी. अब now we will go to Jangha Shakti Vikasaka. थोड़ा legs के लिए. So this fourth one is Jangha Shakti Vikasaka. Again, feet together. This is Jangha Shakti Vikasaka 2A. Utkatasana or chair pose. Inhale and sit as you are sitting on a hold and sitting on a chair. Exhale. Hold as much as you can, right? So, and sit as much as you can. बहुत ज़्यादा नीचे भी नहीं जाना, बहुत ऊपर भी नहीं रहना. 1. थोड़ा अपना जो knees है वो पीछे की तरफ ही रखना, आगे मत लेके आना, पीछे की तरफ. 2. Yes, 3. Inhale, go down. Yes, exhale, up. 4, 5. Yes, now we will do second variation of this Jangha Shakti Vikasaka. It's like heels be together and toes also together and arms like this, parallel to our shoulders. You have to sit in a diamond pose in between your legs. Yes. Inhale. First, shoulder level पे arms आ जाएं. Yes. Hold while sitting as much as you can. Yes, start. 1. Shoulder level पे hands करके. Yes, very nice. 2, 3, 4, 'थोड़ा ये आसन करते वक्त अपना ना थोड़ा आसपास कुछ अगर कुछ सपोर्ट है, just take care of that. You should not fall. Yes, 5. Perfect. Now we will do after Janu Shakti Vikasaka. No, this is Jangha Shakti Vikasaka. Now Janu Shakti Vikasaka for our knees. Right? तो फीट को अपने 8 फुट को 9 इंचेस फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड रखेंगे, ऐसे टोज डाउनवर्ड्स. महुआ दिख रहा है आपको? देखो इधर, लाइक दिस, लाइक 9 इंचेस, लाइक 22 सेंटीमीटर होता है ये. ठीक है, तो ऐसे करके ना टो को नीचे करके, फिर देन यू हैव टू किक लाइक यू आर किकिंग अ फुटबॉल, एंड दोनों हैंड साइड पे ऐसे करके with complete force as much as you can apply. जैसे you are kicking a football और वो football you are sending into a goal. Yes, start. Inhale. दोनों हाथ साइड पे रहेंगे ऐसे, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we did with our right leg. Now with our left leg again. Yes, दोनों hands साइड पे थाइस के साथ टच करके. Yes, 9 inch from your ground, approximately 22 centimeters. Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yes, relax for a while. Now we will do for our we are done for our this knees. This is for our knees. Janu Shakti Vikasaka. Now we will do for our feet. Padmula Shakti Vikasaka. So इसमें क्या करेंगे? Spot skipping. Like toes के ऊपर आके, toes के ऊपर आ जाओ और फिर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, start. 25 times. Yes, count yourself. Count yourself. Yes, very nice. Great effort by everyone. Yes. हाँ, दोनों ऐसे ही लगे रहेंगे साइड पे ना, थाइस के. Yes. Spot skipping. Yes. Perfect. Yes. अब हम करेंगे स्पॉट जंपिंग. तो दोनों हमें उसी जगह पे जंप करना है 25 टाइम्स. Yes, start. Count yourself. Perfect. As much as your pace allows. These exercises, they are for our feet. We are strengthening our feet muscles. Yes, done. Now next is Gulf Padpala, Padtala, Padprishtha, Shakti Vikasaka. Gulf means calf muscles. Padtala means अपने पैरों के नीचे वाले. Padprishtha means ये वाले. Right? तो अभी इसके लिए करेंगे, हम क्या करेंगे? दोनों हाथ ऐसे कर लेंगे, फिर से थाइस में, और रोटेशन करेंगे. अगर किसी को पैर में चोट है या कोई प्रॉब्लम है, then he can or she can just hold any support and do. Yes, वही 9 इंचेस लेंगे ऊपर. ठीक है, टो को 9 इंचेस ऐसे ऊपर लेंगे और देन इनवर्ड टू आउटवर्ड रोटेशन. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. यस, वैसे जनरली दोनों हाथ थाइस के ऊपर लगे रहने चाहिए एंड अटेंशन पोजीशन रहनी चाहिए. ये वाले सारे सूक्ष्म व्यायाम में मोस्टली अटेंशन पोजीशन नहीं है. अब एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. यस, डू इट. 1 with your right leg. Yes, breathe normal. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, perfect. Now with other leg. 9 inches from your ground. गीताली जी आपका पैर थोड़ा सा ऊपर है. यस, थोड़ा नीचे कर लो बस. हाँ, 22 सेंटीमीटर जैसे है ना. हाँ, राइट, परफेक्ट. ये स्टार्ट नाउ. या with your left. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Relax now. Relax. Relax, everyone. Now we will go for Sarvang Pushti. Sarv Ang Pushti means सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग करेगा ये. दिस पर्टिकुलर आसन. दिस इज एन आसन. सो ऐसे दोनों हाथों को फिस्ट लॉक कर लेना है लाइक दिस. यस, या परफेक्ट. फिर उसको जैसे हमने लेग्स अपार्ट करके थोड़ा स्टार्ट करना है जैसे राइट साइड से. तो हमारा राइट जो हैंड है, राइट आर्म जो है वो राइट जो लेफ्ट आर्म है उसके ऊपर होना चाहिए लाइक दिस. ठीक है, एक बार देख लो. फिर इनहेल, एक्सहेल, डाउन. देन फिर उसको हैंड को चेंज कर लेना है. लेफ्ट साइड से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. सो लेफ्ट साइड वाला हैंड जो है वो हमारा ऊपर आएगा. रोटेट पूरा से टुवर्ड्स राइट. यस, फिर राइट हैंड ऊपर, लेफ्ट में. एक्सहेल करके नीचे जाना है. यस, डू इट. नाउ कीप गोइंग. यस यस, सुनीता जी आप कैन यू हियर मी? या, यस यस, स्टार्ट नाउ. स्टार्ट. यस. Yes, Jyotsna, perfect. Yes, you can see every part of your body is getting a good stretch. That's why this asana is called Sarva Anga Pushti. Yes, do it 10 times. Left, yes, go, arch back, fit down. Very nice. Yes, Ritanjali, do it. Yeah, good, perfect. Very nice. As much as you do slowly, you will get the stretch at a higher level. This is Sarvang Pushti. Yes, last time. Exhale. Twist your body as much as you can. Perfect. Come back. Now you can feel that your whole body is getting warmed up. Now बहुत अच्छे से वार्म अप हो गया. अब हम क्या करेंगे, थोड़ा सा बॉडी को रिलैक्स करने के लिए we will do मुखधौती. मुखधौती में जैसे ये थोड़ा पैर को थोड़ा शोल्डर लेवल अपार्ट लाइक दिस. फिर उसमें इनहेल, थोड़ा कूल डाउन कर रहे हैं बॉडी को. इनहेल, do it. Inhale. Yes, 5 times. Inhale. Once more. Inhale. Yes. Now this is cool down for our complete body. Yes, very nice. Now we will do one great exercise, brain yoga. Brain yoga. This is, you have to hold your left ear with your right hand and right ear with your left hand. Right? Cross your hands like this. Hold them. Yes, Isha, perfect. Yes. Now, what we will do, this just roll your tongue. ऐसे गोल करके उसको पैलेट के साथ, ऊपर जो तालू है उसके साथ लगा लो. Yes, roll your tongue और पैलेट के साथ उसे टच करना है. और जैसे हम नीचे जाएंगे 14 टाइम्स we will do. अपने आप से काउंटिंग करो आप एक बार, ठीक है? चलो. Yes, everyone is ready. पैलेट के साथ रोल डाउन करो अपनी टंग को एंड स्टार्ट. Exhale down, out, in. Yes, do it. Sit down at your level, comfortable level. Yes. 5.
When we sit down, what will be the inhalation exhalation process?
Yeah. Sorry. Who is? Just wait. Just wait. May I know your name, please? Yeah.
Actually, my name is
Payal.
Yes.
Now I recognize you. So Payal, जब आप नीचे बैठोगे ना, you have to exhale. जब आप ऊपर उठोगे तो आपको
exhale through mouth or exhale through nostril?
No, nose. Mouth तो हमारा बंद होगा ना, क्योंकि पैलेट के साथ हमारी रोल करके टंग लगी हुई है.
Oh, that will be intact. I mean, when you are sitting also.
हाँ, yes, perfect. हाँ, वैसे रहेगा पूरा, intact रहेगा.
जब ऊपर उठ रहे तब भी वही रहेगा.
Yes, उसको रोल डाउन नहीं करना है, उसको निकालना नहीं है, उसको पैलेट के साथ टच ही करना है. ठीक है पायल? Okay, do it now. Do it. This is very good exercise for our brain. We call it as super brain yoga. Yes. Yes. Now we will sit on our mats. Sit down, all of you. Sit comfortably. We did बहुत अच्छे से आज पूरे का पूरा योगिक सूक्ष्म व्यायाम which are given in our syllabus step by step. So we covered all of them, I think. So we will sit in a comfortable position, Siddhasan, Sukhasan or Vajrasan. Yes. Hand in your Chin Mudra. Yes, Gyan Mudra. On your lap, on your knees. Now deep, breathe in, breathe and breathe out. Start. Just close your eyes. Feel the changes in your body. You can sit in Siddhasan, Sukhasan, any posture, meditative posture, and inhale. Feel the changes in your body as we are treating it as a temple in which all the deities are residing. Our organs are like deities. We had worked for our Mooladhara chakra, then Swadhisthana chakra, Nabhi chakra, Anahad chakra, Vishuddhi chakra, Agya chakra, and on the top crown of our head, that is crown chakra, Sahasrara. So now we can feel all the vibrations in our body, in our subtle body. Because our subtle body, which is made up of 3 nadis, Ila Nadi, Pingala Nadi and Sushumna Nadi, and 7 chakras also need food as much as our gross body needs. So concentrate on your subtle body. We did a small practice for our subtle body today with a feeling of gratitude. We will thank God, thank our deities who blessed us today for doing this session. Now, by closing your eyes only, we will do Kapalbhati. Do it 60 times. Start. Relax. Now, from Chin Mudra or Dhyan Mudra, we will go to Nasika Mudra. We will do alternative nostril breathing, that is Anulom Vilom. Inhale. Exhale from your left side. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. While breathing, you should not at least listen to the breathe of yourself. So do it so peacefully that it should be inside your body, just inside. Do 5 rounds of Anulom Vilom. Inhale positivity. Try to exhale negativity. Positive thoughts are coming in. Negative thoughts, they are going bahar. Relax your body, relax your mind. Now we will do Bhramri together, Shanmukhi Mudra, and then close your ears with the thumb of your hands. 2 top fingers on your index and middle finger on your forehead, and 2 fingers on your eyeballs. Yes, start. And do a humming bee sound when you exhale. First inhale from your nostril and exhale from your mouth with a humming sound. While keeping your mouth closed only. Start. relax. These are changes in your mind, in your body, and at the subtle level of your body. And gross body is also now more functional. Calm down your mind, your body. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, in, out, in, out. Now we will end our session with closing prayer. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayah. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschit dukh bhag bhavet. While chanting Om, you should keep your attention on 3 channels inside our body: left channel, right channel, and the center channel, that is Sun channel, Surya Nadi, Chandra Nadi, and the Sushumna Nadi. 2 times more Omkara chanting. Distribute Om in 3 alaps: A, O, and Ma. Last time. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your thumbs. With the feeling of gratitude and happiness and a big smile on your face, touch your hands on your face, on your eyes, neck, Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Hope you have enjoyed the session. Good day. Bye. 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 Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you, Sunita. Thank you, Noah.
We enjoy a lot.
Oh,
Thank
thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. It's all God's blessings. Right?
Okay. Good
Bye.
night.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Ritanjali. Thank you, Michu. Bye.